I started the company Quickmark 24 years ago. I worked for companies, when I left the mining industry, I left West Meldings in 1977. And I worked for companies like Delphos and Atlas Copco as a sales rep, selling mining equipment. And I had a passion for marking off tunnels underground when I was a developer and reduced the overbreak. And the products I'll be showing and demonstrating to you now is 24 years of passion. The first thing that we do when we have cleaned the face and it's ready to mark off, we insert the line and grade. And I'll just do a little demonstration. I'll see the cut is to the left-hand side. By turning the pattern 180 degrees, you'll see your cut is thrown to the right-hand side, but all your holes are still in exactly the same position because it's a mirror image. This projector is not only a projector that projects draw patterns onto the rock face, it can also be used as a safety device. If you have an accident underground, you can use it as a product to actually attract attention. And also as a robot system. You can send an SOS with this product as well. This is a laser projector. All those red dots are lasers. And you can also move the cut from left to right by just changing a switch. But normally it took them about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to mark off a tunnel 5 meter by 5 meter. We can do it in just over 5 minutes. Thanks very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
The biggest single thing, in my opinion, that will result in better blasting practice is drilling accuracy. I believe if we can get the drilling right, the burden and spacing of holes, we will definitely end up with a much better blast with less damage to the hanging wall and the side walls in our excavations. Drilling accuracy has been a problem over a long period of time, since inception of underground mining. And the equipment that we are using and also the environment that we are operating in is making it very difficult for our rock drill operators to do accurate drilling. The question that you're asking, whether we will be able to improve safety if we can improve the quality of our drilling and blasting, there's no doubt in my mind that that will definitely happen if we do that. The many times that I visited areas where we had falls of ground, some of them that were only incidents and some of that resulted in the death of people, there were always some sort of blasting damage involved. Apart from the difficulties of geology in the underground mining environment, we sometimes make it worse with bad blasting practices where we do more damage to the rock than what is necessary. And where there are falls of ground, you always find that the hanging wall is bad.